Hello stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I want to show you this cute, fabulous, and fun double Z fold card. So are you ready for this amazingness? How fabulous is that? Isn't that super cool? And I love the use of all of these products from the Candy Suite. It's just so fun. You get to use all those different bright colors with stamping, with die cutting, as well as the designer series paper. So super fun. So I'm going to go over some tips and the basics of this fabulous double Z fold card. So it's super easy to get started. You start with a regular card base, so just the same as a normal card, so it fits in your regular envelope. And this measures 4 1/4 by 11. You're just going to fold in half like you would your regular card, and then you're going to fold the front back in half. So again, that's just in half twice. So now you have a single Z. So there you have your fun little Z fold card. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the designer paper. So this is actually the inside of the card that I'm adding this piece of paper to. And then we're also going to add some of the polka dot paper to that front flap. Perfect. So now we're going to bring in our second Z. This piece actually measures 3 inches by 9 inches, and I scored at 3 and 6. So we have 3 3x3 squares. And we're just going to fold that into a Z. And I'm going to use my bone folder to get that nice strong crease. And then now I'm going to add adhesive to the bottom side. So you want to make sure that the bottom is going to the left. This is my left side, so going to the left. And I'm just going to hold this with the adhesive and this, and I'm going to make sure that this bottom piece is under the flap. And then I'm just going to hover over the cardstock, lining up these 3 sides. So I want to make sure I have even designer paper on those 3 sides. And then now I'm just going to press. Make sure it gets a nice strong seal. And so now we have 2 Z's, but they're not connected. So in order to connect that, I'm going to open this flap, close this one because it goes on top, and then close this. So we need to add adhesive just on this little strip. We don't want to add adhesive to the whole piece, or otherwise we're going to seal our card shut. So the easiest way I do this is I just kind of place my fingers right here next to the edge of the purple, open up the flap, and then run my snail from purple to purple either side, and I don't come past where my fingers are. So it typically ends up being about 2 passes with the snail adhesive. And then now I'm just going to close it. So you want to make sure that you're closing your card rather than adhering it like up in the air, because if you do that up in the air, it might not close flat. It might be a little like off, and so then it won't close completely. So it's best to just close it and stick it down where it's going to go. So now you have that fabulous double Z fold card. Super cute. And now it's time to decorate. So I just took 2 1/2 inch squares for the front as well as for the inside and decorated those with the coordinating stamp set. So let's bring back in both of these. I'll leave that one open so that you can see that one. And then of course we have this one too. So I just decorated with some of the designer series paper and used the sheet that has the full strip. So I used the coordinating dies to be able to die cut out those and use different ones for each. Of course, both of these end up using a similar one, but that's okay. We used a lot of the different ones in club last night. So then I also created those little candies, which the framelits actually have 2 of each of those candy styles. So that's super handy to be able to die cut a whole bunch of those really quickly. I also used some enamel dots, and then of course stamped some greeting and candy on there too. So super, super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial showcasing the double Z fold and all the fabulous products in this suite. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, to see more samples using this suite, as well as more photos of these cards. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. Hit the bell so you don't get so you do get a notification, and you don't forget to see one of my next videos. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.